Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to do a little light makeup and let these twists down. I had them up for like a couple days now. I had them up for like 2 days now. And so I think it's time to get them down, put some moisture back into them because they are getting a little dry. So I'm just going to do that, have a light makeup and get ready with me. So I like to use L'Oreal True Match and it's C6. I just take a little shake. You have to shake it. So I shake it up and I just dab the top. And that's as much as I need. So if you're like me and you're a mom and you don't do your makeup that much, this is the easy fast thing. So I just blend it in. This is actually a lot on my face. Next I take my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. You're not going to be able to see the words because it's old. So I take that to do my eyebrows. So where am I going, you guys ask? Nowhere. We are on quarantine, but sometimes you gotta do your makeup to still feel like a woman, like human, even like yourself again, especially when you have kids. It's easy to not take care of yourself. So I got my e.l.f. liner. Just do this off camera so I can get closer. So liner's done. Liner's done. It's nothing special, it's just a straight line. Like I said, simple makeup. And I get my falsies. So you guys saw that video where I tried the fake eyelashes and I poked my corner of my eye. I took those bad boys back to Target, but it hurt for like a few days. So I don't know if I just poked myself real good or that I was allergic to it or what, because it did not feel good for a long time. So I'm just trusting in my regular lashes to get the job done. So I said the trick to doing lashes is to go like this and then wiggle up. So that's how I've been doing it since. Oh, allergies. I have my Fit powder and my e.l.f. brush, powder brush. Is it just me or is e.l.f. products going up in price? Like I went there the other day to look at like brushes and my lord, they are getting up there. I'm a little cheaper. So $6, I thought it used to be $2. Like, come on, e.l.f. Seen those videos where people blow into it, but wouldn't that mess up your camera lens? Getting makeup all over it. Like, why would you blow all over your camera? Now, if it was a cell phone, that'd be easy to wipe off. But your camera, you're blowing all into your camera. Come on, come on. Take my Bake blush I had it for years. But the top broke off. But it's still pretty good. It's like baked blush. So I just do a little light dab. That's all I need. Something light to give my cheeks a little color. You don't want to go crazy on this blush because it will pick up like crazy. Now for my hair. I gotta get a new spray bottle because I broke it. Or Chris broke it. But this is the oil I'm using. I got it from my local grocery store, but you could use any oil of your choice just to put some hydration back into my hair. I have it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 flat twist. Now you could leave this up back like that. Well, style, get it out your face, but I'm taking it all down. Sounds like my little one's awake. Okay, so what you want to do is afterwards you want to just give it a little fluff. Take out all, here's the back. So the backs look like, so you want to just fluff it. And you're good to go. Now if I had my spray bottle, this is where I would spritz my hair. Put some moisture back into it because it is a little dry. So that's my hair. Here's the front. That's my hair, y'all. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that like button. Oh, one thing I do want to mention is I don't put much on my lips, so I'll show you what I put on. Okay, so I put this on. My handy dandy Vaseline. Vaselina. 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 So that's all I put on my lips. Because I need to drink more water and lipstick gets in my cracks on my lips. That's all you need. And then I can kiss my baby and it's all good, no lipstick on her. So, like I said, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget the reminder bell. Boop, boop, boop. So that way you know when my videos come so you won't miss it. And I want to say, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.